Nowadays, we see that people are using the Stickman characters in their explanation videos, but mostly as static images. Imagine if we upgrade this level, instead of just showing the Stickman, we can make it move too. An animated stickman that is not just a picture but an active character, one that can walk, wave its hands, and show actions, can turn a simple explanation video into a high quality engaging video. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can use AI tools to make stickman characters move and take your videos to the next level. So let's get started. For example, I'll create a motivational short video to show you how we can make the character move. So first, let's get a script for the short video. And for that, I'll use GPT. So I'll give it a prompt to write a short video script. So now you can see the prompt where I asked GPT to write a story about a stickman character. This way, when I asked image generation prompts from GPT, it will give me prompts specifically for the stickman character. Similarly, for an image you want to generate, ask GPT to write a prompt for it and make sure to mention the stickman character in it. So as you can see, GPT has given me a story based on my prompt. And now I'll ask it to generate text-to-image prompts for each scene of the story. So as you can see, it has provided the prompts as well. So I'll simply save them in Google Docs. And now to generate images, you can use any website like Ideogram AI, Leonardo, Midjourney or Meta AI. So I generated some images using Ideogram AI and then I'll collect the best results from wherever I get good ones. So as you can see, I've also generated many images using Meta AI. The exciting part of Meta AI is that animation can also be done here. I've told you many times that you can generate images here and animate them as well. Once your image is generated, simply click the animate button to animate it. You can easily download it from here. Apart from this, I've also downloaded some images which I'll animate using an image to video websites. And now my images are ready. And there are many websites available for animation such as Luma Dream Machine and Hyper AI. For now, I have animated some images using Luma Lab. As you can see, generating them into a video is very easy. I have shown you this many times. So in this way, we have generated our images and easily animate them. Now that all the material is ready, since I am creating a motivational video as an example, I also need a voiceover. So according to the story given by GPT, I'll generate this voiceover using 11 labs.
Try one more time. Believe in yourself once again.
So now I have the voiceover ready and all my material is prepared. So we'll simply go to the editing tool and merge everything to create a final video. So first I'll import my voiceover and arrange all the scenes one by one according to the. If needed, I'll adjust pan and zoom effect. As you can see, Meta AI generates video in a 1:1 ratio. So I'll convert them to a 16:9 ratio. If there's any watermark like in Luma Labs, I'll crop it out from here. And finally, I'll add dissolve transition. As you can see, it's such a simple animation. So now the final video is ready. Let's go ahead and watch it.
Life is a race. Sometimes you move forward, and sometimes you stumble. Falling is necessary, but giving up is not. Falling doesn't mean you're weak. It's just another chance to become stronger. Dreams come true for those who dare to rise after every fall. Try one more time. Believe in yourself once again. The one who never stops, the one who never gives up, is the one who always wins. Today, he didn't just win a race, he won the biggest battle of life. Falling is necessary, but getting up is even more important. Never give up.
And that's it. This is how we transform the simple stickman character from just an image into a fully animated, engaging video. Now you can also use this technique to take your explanation video to the next level. Don't limit stickman to just static images. Make it move. Bring your story to life and engage your audience even better. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also comment below and let me know how you plan to use the stickman animation in your videos. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.